Tired of the command line for GitHub? Let's ditch the terminal and learn how to upload your project with a user-friendly, visual approach. Alright, first up, let's use GitHub Desktop. Download and install this from the GitHub website. If you don't have it already now, fire it up and log in with your GitHub credentials. Here's where the magic begins to get started. If you have an existing project, choose clone a repository and paste your project's GitHub URL. If you want to start fresh, click Create a new repository on your local machine. A new window will pop up, where you'll name your project and choose where to store it on your computer through local path. After that, click Create Repository. Excellent. Now find your project files, the ones you want to put on GitHub. Drag and drop, or copy and paste them into this newly created local folder. It's essentially like you're bringing your work to your project folder in Finder or File Explorer. Stacking GitHub Desktop. You'll notice the app now highlights the changes, the new files you added to your project folder. Type a short summary of your changes in the summary field and give a more detailed description in the description field. Then, hit Commit to Main. That bundles your changes. Finally, it's time to upload those changes to GitHub. Click the Push Origin button that has the GitHub cloud icon on it. The app handles the upload process, which will upload your changes, and the file will appear in the related GitHub repository. And just like that, your project is live on GitHub without ever touching the command line. See? Easy peasy. This is just one of the ways you can upload projects to GitHub, so explore your IDEs, like VS Code, where you can also upload projects. Now go forth and version control with ease. Remember to subscribe and like the video.